Hello everybody, welcome back to the 2023 Daily Red Heart Patterns series. All of the series in this pattern are free and easy to download right from the description box below. So today's patterns we are looking at are mosaic patterns, and I think mosaic is absolutely the best way to make yourself a stunning item that looks super difficult, and it really isn't that hard. So this one that I'm going to start with is called the Nordic Stripes crochet blanket, and it features the Super Saver Ogo yarn. Okay, so this crochet blanket is ideal for the outdoors thanks to Red Heart Super Saver Ogo, and I love the colors in this. Very rainbow, very pretty. And I like the fringe on the end as well. That's really pretty too. And a lot of times with mosaic patterns, you do see fringe because then you don't have to weave in the ends. And there are lots of ends, believe me, with mosaic. So this is a beautiful, beautiful pattern, and I love it a lot. There needs to be more hours in the day, right? I want to crochet all the things. Okay, our next pattern, mosaic pattern, is called the Stripes and Snowflakes Mosaic Pillow. So maybe you're not looking to make a full blanket, you're maybe just, dipping your toes into the mosaic a little bit and you want to start with something small. This might be ideal for that. Accent your home with this festive crochet pillow from Red Heart Super Saver. So this uses the Super Saver yarn, and you can see they've made like a pocket closure here, so you just kind of slip your pillow right inside it and it folds right over again. So that's really cute. This one makes me think of baby pajamas. I'm not quite sure why. Really cute though. I like this a lot. And of course, just like any other crochet project, you can certainly change the colors to match your decor. Maybe you're not a person who really enjoys red, but you like a dark forest green or something like that, or even a blue. This would look beautiful in any color. Okay, our next pattern is another blanket. This is called the Hearty Stripes Mosaic Blanket. So we're going to take a quick look at this one. Okay, refresh a room with this warming crochet blanket from Red Heart Super Saver Ogo. So we've got another Ogo project here. I'm thinking you could probably use other yarns as well. You don't always have to use Ogo just because they say, but you did use Ogo, and you'll happen to notice probably that, yep, there's the fringe. A lot of these mosaic projects have the fringe, but that's okay. It's okay. I really love the stripes in the middle. That's a pretty cool look to it. Like that a lot. Okay, we have one more mosaic project to look at, so let's take a quick peek. This last one is called the Holly Jolly Mosaic Holiday Blanket. Not really sure what makes it holiday other than it's got these little puffballs and leaves. So I think they're supposed to look like holly berries and holly leaves. But it's kind of interesting because they are in white and blue. So it's just different. Doesn't really look like a holiday blanket with those colors. But it's kind of nice. I like it. Okay, so when I see it in a different color, it does look a little bit more holiday. Right now we can definitely see that these are holly berries and leaves, but it was a little harder to figure that out with the blue and the white. But it's lovely in any color, it really is, and you really don't even need the holly berries. I mean, they're cute and they're really pretty for the holidays, but this blanket would be beautiful even without them. And it just looks so impressive, right? I mean, it really isn't that hard to make. I know that they're all listed as intermediate level, but there are some amazing mosaic teachers on YouTube. And I think if you haven't tried mosaic, give it a try because you might be pleasantly surprised at how difficult it is not. It is not that difficult. Okay, so that wraps it up for day 22 of the Red Heart Daily Free Crochet Pattern series. Obviously, I did this in February because of Red Hearts and Valentine's Day. I hope you're enjoying the series as much as I'm enjoying putting it together for you. And as always, go ahead and click in the link below, and you will be routed right to my pin board, and you can click on any of these and go right to the free pattern. Super, super easy. All right, everybody, I will see you tomorrow with some more patterns. Bye bye.